Why do I bring the foot in yes and no back in a straight line? So I put this forward, the foot in a curve, and then I bring it back like this. If you would do it bow, yes, and then you take the bow back, it would be like a little bit, I take it back again. Yeah, it's the same gesture. Okay, I give it, and I take it away again. And how we do it here is more, I go fully into this with my whole heart and thought and light forces. I go into this movement, I place it, and then I step out of it. I really step out, and this brings it back. In one of my videos, I have 4 videos on this yes and no exercise. They are free accessible on Eurythmy for You in the therapeutic exercise course. I do this movement with the wings, and then I use my arms and my feeling here, and then I put a little bit of energy there, then I can move my leg forward. And if I'm not consciously step out of the movement and let go, when my wings go up, my foot also will make the circle back. And it's a conscious decision to let go. I give something, I say, yes, here you have it. And then I let go, it's yours. It's not mine anymore. I have put my decision. I let go.